Have you ever felt like you have completely lost your spark after a professional failure? Maybe you were let go, overlooked for a promotion, or faced a project failure that shook you to your core. If you're questioning your worth or wondering if you will ever get back on track, you're not alone. Today, we are going to talk about how to regain confidence after a setback, rebuild your professional identity, and come back stronger than before. First of all, be kind to yourself. Setbacks are a natural part of life. Don't fight the emotions that you are feeling, but avoid lingering on negative thoughts that harm your self-esteem. Consider how you would talk to a friend who was experiencing the same situation. You would say things to help build them up, not beat them down. Be as supportive of yourself as you would be of that friend. Keep in mind that the setback is temporary, just one experience in the story of your life. It does not define your entire career or identity. Instead of dwelling on what happened, acknowledge it and then shift your focus forward. Ask yourself, if the setback was related to your own actions, what will you do differently? If it was outside your control, how can you mitigate the impact next time? Once you have acknowledged what you learned, you can focus on regaining confidence. Like anything worthwhile, it takes consistent effort. First, concentrate on setting small, achievable goals. For example, sending one exploratory email or updating your resume. Accumulating some micro wins help you build momentum. Next, reframe your personal narrative by focusing on your strengths and transferable skills. Think about the lessons you've learned and how you have grown professionally. Additionally, prioritize self-care. Caring for your physical and emotional well-being helps maintain mental clarity. When your mind and body are balanced, regaining confidence becomes much more manageable. As we discussed, it's valuable to analyze what went wrong without judgment. By treating failure as information rather than a final verdict, you can silence negative self-talk. Consider how your setback could actually be a nudge to step outside your comfort zone and explore new ideas. And don't do this alone. Sharing your experiences within a supportive circle provides a valuable perspective. Beyond emotional support, your network can help you identify strengths you might have forgotten. Engaging actively with your network can open doors to new paths you would have not considered. After a setback, it's normal to feel disconnected. Rebuilding confidence isn't just about repeating actions. It's about reconnecting with your professional self. Start by reflecting on what truly matters to you. Consider the impact you want to make and the environment that inspires you. When your actions align with what really matters to you, your confidence grows naturally. Set a clear but flexible vision for your next chapter. It could be as simple as I want to work in a role where I can lead teams and solve complex problems. Even a rough vision acts as a compass, helping you embrace opportunities that resonate with your goals. If you are feeling stuck, coaching can provide practical support. A career coach can help you develop new skills and establish accountability. However, if you find yourself caught up in persistent negative thoughts, anxiety, or depression, it's best to speak with a therapist. Mental health professionals can provide tools to regulate emotions and build resilience. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Rebuilding confidence after a career setback is a journey, not a destination. The key is to acknowledge the setback without letting it define you. Take intentional steps forward and surround yourself with supporters. Remember, setbacks are not failures. They are redirections that often lead to greater clarity and resilience and fulfillment. The path forward requires patience and self-compassion. Start today by taking one small step. Reach out to a mentor, update your resume, or simply commit to replacing one negative thought with a positive one. Every action you take moves you closer to your professional life, the one you deserve. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to Yes Career Coaching for more strategies to build a career you love. See you in the next video.